What is AllSides? AllSides assesses the political bias of prominent media outlets and presents different versions of similar news stories from sources of the political right, left, and center. You can access AllSides by going to their website, allsides.com, or you can download their mobile app for iOS or Android. You will need Wi-Fi to update the app content, and when you're looking for the app, that is what the logo looks like right there on the screen. Now, you don't need a subscription or membership. You don't have to sign up in order to access the All Sides content and news stories. But if you want a weekly newsletter emailed to you, then you will need to sign up. You'll just go into the app. At the bottom, you'll click on the three horizontal tab lines that say more, and it will read. Oops. You need to click on receive our newsletter, and then it'll redirect you to your browser to their website, and you'll just click on join. And when you click on that, it'll bring you to this page, and you can see their different membership options. You can get a paid membership with extra perks, or you can go with a free membership just to get the story of the week emailed to you. If you decide to go for a paid membership, the prices are right there. You can choose how much you want to donate, then you just put in your information and sign up. Okay, let's get into the app. Once you first open the app, it's going to bring you to the first tab, and you can see it there at the bottom. It's news, and this is going to be all of your top and most recent news. You can see for each story, it offers a writing from the left, right, and center. It also offers a range of topics from the war in Ukraine to Will Smith and the Oscars. If we move on and click on the bias tab down there at the bottom, it will bring you to a page where you can see all of the different news outlets and what their bias rating is, how far left they are or how far right, and whether or not they fall in the middle. If we move over to the perspectives tab, this tab aims to provide balanced coverage of today's top news and issues, sometimes highlighting credible views that generally might be overlooked by the broader media. Often the writing you'll find on this tab is about media bias, media literacy, filter bubbles, political polarization, and bridging divides. When you click on a news story, you can see its political bias right there at the top before you read it. Or sometimes on stories like this, you'll have to go to the end to see what the political bias is of the author. If we click on the topics tab, it's pretty self-explanatory. You can just browse different topics either horizontally at the top by hot topics, or you can browse vertically. Once you click on a topic, so I clicked on criminal justice, it will bring you to a page that looks like this where you can scroll different stories and you can filter them by left, center, right, or you can view all of them together. You are able to share the news stories that you find. You can either share a whole entire topic or you can share specific individual news stories. All you have to do is look for that icon there at the top. I've circled it in red for you. Once you click on that, it'll pop up all of the options you have to send it to different apps, different people, things like that. Here's some ideas for use in the classroom. I would recommend this. You can go as low as the ages third grade and up. And the first idea I have here is for debates. Students are given a topic and asked to construct an argument taking one side or the other. This app can definitely be utilized as a resource because students can easily find different perspectives on the same story and kind of analyze from there and decide what side they're going to take. As far as the SAMR model, this is more of enhancement with substitution. Instead of students having to go and find print articles and print stories, they're able to easily access them right here at their fingertips, and it's all here for them. They don't have to search for different perspectives. It's already rated, and it really speeds up the research process. However, on the Bloom's taxonomy, this does bring students up to applying and evaluating their learning. So they're having to apply their research skills, and then they're having to evaluate by critically examining the information, making judgments, taking a stance, and supporting their arguments. Another way to use this in the classroom is for current events. One of the ideas I have is this is more of a daily journal idea, but students choose an article with the bias rated in the center and they write, or they could video record a daily journal. It doesn't have to be in the mornings, but they're summarizing the article. And if they want to, they can give their own position based on their reading. The second idea I have could be weekly, but you could make it more of a bigger project where you could actually incorporate other technology that would elevate the learning. It would elevate students having to use those higher order thinking skills. But students would choose a story that offers multiple perspectives. Based upon their reading, they're going to choose a position and then they can choose any method of delivering their analysis and their position. So that's where you can incorporate other technologies for presentation. AllSides also offers additional resources on their website. If you just go to the website and you click on schools, it will bring you to a page that looks like this. You can click on lesson plans, and once you click a lesson plan, it even gives you the overview. It gives you the learning objectives. So there is a lot to offer with this app. It's overall a great resource. It serves more at the modification level of the SAMR model. However, it allows for higher order thinking in Bloom's taxonomy and serves as an informational resource that can be used in conjunction with other technologies to enhance and deepen learning for students.